How to convert Facebook leads to actual clients if you're a real estate agent. I meet so many real estate agents that are spending thousands of dollars on Facebook ads and getting little to no success. Where me and my team, for every $1,000 that we are spending on Facebook, we're getting $10,000 in return. So I know it works. A lot of times it comes down to you're just missing a few of these things that I'm going to highlight in this video that are going to boost your conversion and actually seeing your Facebook advertising pay off. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. Can be providing you a ton of value on how you can actually convert Facebook leads in this video. But if you're a real estate agent that wants my team to take over your Facebook ads, just go in the description and fill out that form there to see if you'll be a right fit, and then we'll reach out to you. But if you're a real estate agent that is doing around 10 deals a year and you want to hit that 20 to 30 deal mark, I can personally guarantee if you were to partner with us that we're going to be able to help you elevate your business and start getting you to hitting your actual goals of double and tripling it. So if that's you, go in the description and then book a call with me so we can speak directly to see how we can help you actually achieve your real estate goals. Now let's dive into how you can actually convert Facebook ads. I see a ton of videos on YouTube teaching agents how to set up their ads, teaching them how to do retargeting, but no one ever talking about the systems and how to actually convert these people to sales. So that's why I'm going to unpack this so you guys can take this and whatever I'm going to share in this video, you're going to be able to implement so you can boost your conversion. So I'm going to be showing you the exact Mortlock method in order to convert Facebook ads. So this is going to be depending on what type of lead you are. You want to make sure that you have your follow-up campaigns or your action plans really in line with the type of leads that you're generating. So step one for converting Facebook ads at a high level is getting a good CRM. So me and my team, we personally use Follow-Up Boss because you're able to link this directly to Facebook so the leads automatically populate in there. It also has a dialer that allows us to dial right from the laptop. It helps when you're making a lot of calls. You can just rip through and pound these calls. It also has tracking on it so you can see how many calls you're making, how many people are picking up, and what percentage of people are actually answering you when you give them calls. So I'm going to dive into that stuff right now. So here's one of our leads that came in on our downsizing campaign. It's tagged so that the downsizing action plan gets triggered. This is going to be specifically set up targeting towards what downsizers are looking for. I have a little humor and some other points in there that I like to joke around with these people to actually get more engagement with doing it. And that's the really nice part about doing Facebook ads is you can really tailor these action plans and follow up specifically to what these people needs are to boost your conversion. So talk about all the major pain points that people experience when they are downsizing their property and highlight that, how you can help and assist them relieve that stress and that pain point from their life by downsizing their home. But first and foremost, when you call these people, you want to make sure you call them right away. So in the first 5 minutes is the best rule of thumb in order to get in touch with these people. And then after that, segment your follow-ups following it. We usually call them the next day and then we give a 2-day break and then we call them again and continue to follow up until we get in for about 10 days. And in that time frame, we're going to send them about 5 emails and a couple text messages as well. So I'm going to highlight 3 really important things on with your follow-up system to convert Facebook ads. Is number one is you got to track the amount of calls you're making and your pickup percentage. So you have to know how many people you're actually getting in touch with. The second is review your calls. That's the really nice part about the Facebook dialer. Every person that we get connected with, we can listen back the call to see where we potentially could overcame some objections or things that we didn't do properly. And then the third thing you want to do is after listening to your calls, write down all the most common objections that you're getting and how you're going to overcome those objections when you face them the next time. So my rhythm and what I do before I start calling each and every day is I review all the objections that I would constantly get from these people saying, I'm not interested, just browsing, I'm 5 years away, I'm not looking for a real estate agent, whatever it may be. You're able to overcome that in some way to continue down extracting the information. The next part that you have to do and understand is getting a really good script. So you need a script that's actually going to ask the right questions because we're wanting to uncover what these people's motivations are, what their timeline, and what they're looking to do. So first and foremost, the most important stuff is one, what do these people actually want to do? And when they're downsizing, why? How come you want to downsize? Why do you want to take on the stress of making a real estate move when your home is perfectly fine? Is there something that's not working with your home anymore for you? Yeah, I can't be doing stairs anymore. My wife had her hip replaced. We needed a master bedroom on the main floor, etc., etc. But you need to really uncover what these people's goals are. The second, do they have the capabilities to actually achieve this? A lot of times you'll talk to some of these Facebook leads. They'll come in and they maybe only have $5,000 saved and they think that they potentially might be able to buy $1 million property. It's quite dumbfounding dealing with these people, and that's where you have to come in and really help educate and assist them along. But you'll know when you get the good leads who have all their ducks in a row. When you go to qualify them on the financing side of things, how they plan on achieving these goals, they will have that down pat. And then the third is, what is their timeline? When do you plan on making this real estate move? Is it this month? Are you looking next year? Are you looking to when you retire in 3 years? And then really uncover what they're trying to do and follow that in importance. So if you're someone that doesn't have a really good script and you feel like you're not connecting and asking the right questions for people on your Facebook ads, well, then go to my Instagram page at russellmortlock.realestate and send me a DM saying scripting. I will send you the link in order for you to join the Apex group where I got my scripting book in there. That's going to show you exactly what we say to convert these leads. And the next point after you have all your scripting dialed in is your tonality and your phone skills. So what I really like to do, say if I'm dealing with an older lady, is I lower my voice. So say if I'm dealing with an older lady or a female, I definitely talk a lot softer. I lengthen how long I say things, versus if I'm talking to a man who has a really deep voice, kind of sounds a little bit grouchy on the phone, I deepen up and I speed up my cadence and I talk a little bit faster and I beef up just the way my voice sounds. So you got to play into what each of these avatars are doing. And when you go to deliver points or ask for something, know what tone you have to deliver it in. You see how I paused there and was more direct with how I talk, how much more you would have paid attention to if you're watching this video. Those are simple little cues you can use to actually convert these people to meetings and showings in person. That's going to lead to you getting more sales. The next really secret to our Facebook ad system is how you segment your list on who you actually need to worry about the most. So what we do is if people are looking in the next 3 months to buy a home, we put them in the hot prospect list where we then follow up with them every week. If they're looking to purchase property in the next year, but not in the next 3 months, we put them as nurture and we follow up with them every single month. Then for all the other people that say they're not interested, just browsing, or yeah, I plan on buying, but not for 2 years from now, we tag the date on exactly when they plan on doing what they're doing. So if it's in 2 years from now, we put 2026. If it's 3 years from now, we put 2027. Whatever it is, we make sure we tag the list in our Follow Us campaign like this here directly. I'll go 2024. And I'll put them as a tag. As you can see, June, May, summer of 2024. So when I go to this list, I click on here and we have almost 300 people that have told us that they're looking to buy in 2024 that we've got. So making sure that you actually segment your list and keep it really organized is so crucial to having an effective Facebook ads, is so crucial in terms of actually converting these people. Me and my team, we just converted 2 people that had signed up 2 years ago on our website who just actually made sales with them. They never answered us once. They never even engaged with us. We had been emailing them properties. They saw some that they liked, and then we eventually converted them this month. So that's why you want to really make sure you're getting in touch with these people, even the people you don't get in touch with, that you're still dripping them out and staying top of mind for them. Next, how to actually get these people to meet you. So if they're a hot prospect, you got to find some sort of pain point or something that is going to work for them. So this is where storytelling and your phone skills really come into play. And what we do to close these people is make a recommendation. So we use the recommendation close. I got a lot of training on this on my YouTube channel, so you can go back and find some other videos how to do this properly. But what we're trying to do is get these people out to show them properties, and then we go sit down for a coffee with them or a lunch and really unpack what they're trying to achieve and build that relationship. And if there's someone who's out of town, then we're trying to go through properties with them on Zoom and see exactly when they plan on coming out here to look at listings. So for the people that want to know our system through and through and want help with their actual Facebook ads, go in the description, fill out that form, and if you're a right candidate for us to partner with to help you with your ads, we'll reach out directly to you. And then for the people that want to elevate their real estate business and want to get serious about actually achieving their real estate goals in 2024 and would like to become my business partner, go to the description, then go to the Calendly link. Right there, you can book a call with me so we can chat one-on-one on how we can help you achieve your goals.